Success comes in cans, failure in cants. Wilfred Peterson. My friends, everything hammering down for the day. The biggest loser is 20-year U.S. government bonds. We'll get to that in just a minute. Let's first go to the S&P 500, down 1.65%. We were talking yesterday about jumping into a down move in this market. My friends, we can see that it is going down. So we've got again, a broken trend line this week and a strong red down candle forming. We can see 3 there. This is the first day of the latest 2-day candle, but 3 2-day candles, so 5 days since we're on the first day of this latest 2-day candle, but ever increasing, growing stronger. And of course, when things pushed through back last Friday morning, we have seen but for one green up candle on that half-day chart moving down. Look at all that volume. And of course, it'll be interesting to see what kind of volume we have this week. Now, we talked about the importance of this volume last week with a spinning top, almost a doji there, having that high a volume and not a big candle, telling you something's going on in the market. And of course, insiders selling, the non-insiders, everybody else, hoping the market will go up perhaps. And then, of course, clearing out the inventory for the market makers, and then everything moving over, going down. What about the NASDAQ 100? It too, nice red down candle, pushed through, started the week off below, and has just continued to move down. We have not as strong as the S&P yet, although the move today was a little bit stronger, but we see not 3, but 2, 1.5, let's see, that'd be 3 days of down candles. And of course, things pushed through in the afternoon on Friday, not the morning like the S&P, and again, continued to hammer down. Look at all that volume. So again, be curious to see where our volume is at the end of the week, particularly on the weekly when it comes to the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. Now let's look at bonds. Again, we had the anomaly there where things tried to pop up and then rolled back over and died. That was the week beginning the 28th of August. Didn't have huge volume that next week. Nice volume last week, nice volume this week. And of course, we're already at average volume and we haven't hit Friday, already a little above it. Haven't hit Friday yet. So we'll see what this ends up showing. But nice strong down movement on the weekly candle for this week in bonds. Same on the 2-day, again, first day of this latest 2-day candle. After sort of these lackluster but moving down spinning tops, had several of those in here, and of course small little down candles. And we'll had 2 of them and then 3 small down candles. But this acceleration here, you can see as the volume lights up. And of course, on the half day, lots of volume in the morning, and then a little bit further down in the afternoon, 2.57%. Boom! Did bonds take it in the shorts. And of course, you want to know what the inverse is in bonds? Tango, Bravo, Foxtrot. How did that do today? Well, you can tell, shooting up quite nicely. So we'll leave bonds, go to gold. Gold down 0.72%. Again, still sort of in that sideways slide. Still got a green candle there. You can just see as gold now, the half day, yes, after 1, 2, 3, 4 days of up movement, rotated over down today. We'll see how gold finally sorts itself out. And of course, Bitcoin down for the day 1.23%. So it'll be interesting to see what Bitcoin does on Friday as to whether or not we're going to give a lot of thought to going long on Bitcoin as we end this week with a green up candle clearly breaking the down trend. That is where we are, my friends. So appreciate you being with us. Always love to hear from you. Patreon members, you can look for your email. You can also find at the Patreon site your 3-wave trades. Those are the curated trades with liquid stocks, liquid options that we look at each and every week to give you something to practice trade, in addition to the 20 weekly vertical crossovers we look for every week on the S&P 500. And of course, charting cryptos, commodities, and currencies. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World headquarters.